Hi, and welcome to this short presentation on localization. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log into Umbraco, then you want to find this arrow, and you can click on localization. Then you go into localization overview, and this is where you can work with localization. So these are keys that are all registered and made by a developer, so they already exist, and these are the translations that you can manually input in here, and they all have a relation for you to understand where they belong. So in this case it's pretty easy. It says bulletins create here, so it has a bulletin relation, but all keys might not be that explanatory, so you can add a relation here that makes it easier for yourself. So keys show up in the UI if they don't have a value, so even if they don't have a value. So here you can see this is the all key. It just shows up. It doesn't have a string connected to it yet. So what we can do is we can create a translation for it. So the key already exists, so it's called all, and the translation for it is all lists, perhaps, or all posts, like this. Relation, I'm not sure about that, so I'm just not going to put anything in. Then now now you can see it shows up in the list of keys, and it has a translation. Now if I go back into the current demo setup, you can see all posts instead of the all key. So now the key actually has a value or a translation, and it will show that instead. And yeah, that's what you do in localization. If you're a developer, you can create your own keys and your own translations and so on, and create them in here and use the same functionality. But if you're working in Umbraco only, you can't create your own keys, but you can create your own translations for the existing keys. And yeah, thank you for listening.